Introducing the NutriPro Juicer Mixer Grinder, a versatile kitchen appliance designed for efficient food processing. Powered by a robust 500W copper motor with corded electric operation, this mixer grinder efficiently processes virtually any food ingredient. The 0.5-liter capacity unit excels at creating quick smoothies, juices, dry grinding tasks, and preparing fresh chutneys and dips. Constructed with durable stainless steel blades and a combination of plastic and glass containers, all components are conveniently dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. With over 21,840 customer ratings and a solid 4.3-star rating, this appliance has proven its reliability in everyday kitchen use. For further information, please visit the product detail page.